Hi to everyone guys, in our new video we continue to talk about MQL5 website. First of all, I'm dealing with that website by myself. I'm investing my own money and every month I'm checking signals, different type of the signals providers, their statistic. I'm comparing them with the previous months, and based on that I'm building portfolio for myself. And I found a lot of the clients and a lot of the people that also interest in that type of investment. What is the unique stuff if you are dealing with me, that I can compose the portfolio. I know the way how to create portfolio of signals providers and stream them on one account. To be honest, I'm not trusting or believe in one strategy. I'm not trying to find one fantastic strategy that will cover all my risk and create for me some passive income for next like 10, 20, 15 years. I believe that only smart diversification, money management and risk management can create a big and consistent profit. I'm first of all a trader, but in this Forex area, I can trust for those signals. I can trust for statistics, for everything. For this month's current month, I choose 4 signals providers. Based on them, I create a portfolio and I will show you which signals, from our opinion, is the best for this month. I will show you why I choose them. I will show you what is my money management. And let's start. You can easily join the same program, maybe easily join the same portfolio investment how I'm doing. I will leave in the description to this video my Telegram channel. Also, I will help you to find some key point to profitable investments in the Forex market. So let's go to my laptop and I will show you all those, from my own opinion, the most fantastic and profitable signals provider from MQL5 website. So let's start, guys. I don't want to make this video so long as usual. I want to show you first of all my decision, why I make this type of decision and how I'm doing this type of connection and how I'm calculating the risk. So first of all, my signal provider, and I'm really thinking that this is one of the best, and CNHN. By the way, this is fantastically good signal, and he's showing that from 2020 he closed only 2 months in minus, but after every months in minus, you see like January minus 531, February plus 23, May it was minus 364, June it was plus 17. There are one more signal, it's calling Nasakas, that even in some cases it was better for me. I was trading with this signal for a long time because there was longer statistic, but then I shift to CNHN. Why I did like that? So if we'll go to statistic, and you will see there mostly he's paying a lot of attention or on 3 instruments. Normally he's trading 0.12, 0.13, and sometimes these 3 instruments he's trading is 3 times higher trading volume. And sometimes, of course, sometimes it's trading in a good way and he is closing big pluses, but sometimes because of this significant big trading volume, it's making bad impact on his trading. Like here, you can see there Euro New Zealand, you see it was in plus. Okay, great. In comparison on this small operation, this was very big minus. But when it's minus, he opened 3 positions with the dollar yen, each of them like almost 0.2, and the minus is big. In this current signal, he is trading, everything is the same, almost is the same. So that's why for me this signal is way better and I'm really happy with it. Second signal is night vision. With the night vision, I had long history of the relationship. I was trading with this signal for a long time. I was mostly trading at night with the higher trading volume. So if we'll go maybe to these pages, you see like long time ago he was trading mostly at night with the bigger trading volume. Right now he changed his strategy. He's trading mostly during the day with the major currency pairs and results are good. When we are building portfolio, we need to find not only signals that trading in plus, but we need to find the signals that will cover risk of each other. So that's why, like if we are talking about CNHN, it's more like KNIME type strategy. Because I built portfolio from the 4 signals providers, I was trying to find like some opposite strategies, you know. So with the night vision, he's trading during the day, like smart risk management. We can understand that he's trading for a long time and his maximum drawdown only 14%. So that's why I was trading with him. I was waiting when he changed his strategy a little bit, so now I can trust him again and I add him in my portfolio. The third signal, it's a little bit special one. He is using he's very popular, and I found this signal, by the way, in our previous video. Who didn't see, highly recommend you to watch, because he's trading without stop loss. And you can tell me like, come on, we're telling us like never trusted the signals with the trading with the stop loss, and right now you choose it like one of your signals. Yes, I'll tell you why. Because first of all, he is not very risky in his trading, that I like. The second option, he is closing position in minus. So if we can see on his chart, we can see some minuses. He was closing position in minus. This is the benefit in comparison to the signal that's using averaging and can hold for a long time and will wait when the price will go to their point. And his averaging is not aggressing, so he's not making tons of deals. You see, as I show in the history, it was like maximum 3 of the deals, so it's not so bad. Still, when we will go to the risk management, I'll explain to you that I cut the trading volume a lot, you know. So if you are trading with the first system, you need to put in every system the same like part of the risk. So no need, it must be smart calculation. So that's why I'm telling you, if you want to have this type of the things, you need of course to trade with us. First one is the nightclub. Yes, I was trading before with that signal, and this guy, he is really proving on the real account that he is trading in a good way. Like he's also trading at night with the like minimum trading volume. It allowed me to manipulate, to easily manipulate with the trading volume. Because if we talk about risk management, it's 4 totally different accounts, because this balance is 315 euros, this one is 16,000, this like portfolio it's $2,000, and that one is 800. What I'm doing, I have some accounts, I'm buying all these 4 trading system to each account. Then from this account, I start with the copy trading. I start manipulating with the trading volume. So it's approximately, yeah, I'll tell you. So in that guy, he has the risk, if we will copy 1-to-1, $30. I can multiply 10, you know, so the volume of opening position will be 0.10 and maximum risk will be $300. Okay, in that current situation, his risk will be approximately, like right now it's $1,600. If I will like multiply, divide on 5, you know, my risk will be also a little bit higher than $300. If we'll talk about night vision has approximately, we can easily trade 1-to-1 with the trading volume of 0.03, and risk will be the same. By the way, this big risk was long time ago when he was trading with the bigger trading volume. You see, so right now he made the risk is way lower than it was before, but still better to trade with little bit less trading volume, you know. And regarding that signal, he's like maximum drawdown $160 up to 200 maximum, so we can easily multiply 2 and we will have the same trading volume. So this is the point of the money management. We are choosing 4 different signals. For everyone, I'm giving them some part of the maximum risk that I can accept. And if some one of these 4, his drawdown will be more than like $300, you know, I will delete this type of the signals. And why I choose these 3? Because let me show you the example. If we will take this one, May, you see at May he made minus 3%, is 364. When we will go to this signal provider, he made in May 694. Night vision, I don't know exactly did he change or no, but mine was approximately in zero. So if we will trade with the 4 different trading system in the same time, they will cover risk of each other. This is the point, you know, I can choose all 4 that trading at night, but there will be no smart money management and diversification. Through all my experience in this area of trading, I understood that you need to trust only in smart diversification and money management, and only these things might help you to generate profit in consistent way. So guys, if you want to have the same portfolio on your account, I'm waiting on your request and let's start making money together. See you in our next videos.